So now we're going to do some inequality problems. Hey Blue's summer homework assignment is to read more than, I apologize for the then not being there, more than 500 pages of books or magazines. She read a book that had 282 pages. She plans to complete the rest of the assignment by reading 20 pages per day. Which inequality can be used to determine the number of days Hey Blue needs to read to complete her assignment? So, some important bits of information. The assignment is for more than 500 pages. So we have 500, knowing that's going to be our answer, and more than, okay? So it's going to be the greater than sign. So just by knowing this bit of information, which choices can we cross out? Knowing that it needs to be the greater than sign. We also are told that she already read 282 pages. So there's 282 pages. And she has to do 20 pages per day. Okay? So that's going to be plus the 20t. So by knowing that, we are all set then. So because of this, we were able to cross out A and C. And it's 20 pages per day. So it needs to be with the 20t, not 280 pages per day, the t. Okay, this is the number of days. So that's why we get the answer of B. Number 2 is a relatively simple equation. Most of you probably can solve it, but the difference is once you solve it, knowing which sign goes with what. So for her cell phone, Wawa pays $30 per month plus 5 cents per text. She wants to keep her bill under $60 per month. Key is under 60. Which inequality represents the number of texts T that Wawa can send each month while staying within her budget? So we know that we're doing 5 cents per text. Okay, so that's our first thing. And we are under 60, so it's going to be less than $60. And she pays the $30 per month no matter what. So that's her normal, regular price. So to solve this inequality, do the inverse. Inverse of 30, do it to both sides. By doing that, those cancel. So we're left with 5 cents T is less than 30. Our last step, as always, is to divide by the coefficient. So you divide by 0.05. And when you solve that, you get 600. So by doing that, you do realize that those two are definitely gone. And because we did the correct inequality sign, the answer is A. But another way to think about that is, she wants to be under $60. So it needs to be 600 or less. It can't be more than 600, because tell me a number that's greater than 600. How about 1 million? Could she send 1 million texts and still be under $60? Logically, no. Could she send 1 text and be under $60? Yes. So you kind of have to, once you get your answer, even though we know we're right, check the other answer and use some logic. Pick a random number and see if it makes sense. The total cost for food and drink for a party was less than $116. Assuming $80 was spent on food and 12 bottles of fruit drink was purchased at a cost of D dollars per bottle, write an inequality to represent the possible cost of each bottle of fruit drink. What is the greatest amount that could have been spent on 1 bottle of fruit drink? So this one,